morning everyone, I'm Ashley Crizan Solitana.
Morning everyone, I am Jonas Uy.
I am Kim G. Ramos.
What is equation of circle? The equation of a circle is a way to express the definition of a circle on the coordinate plane. The equation of circle represents the locus of point whose distance from a fixed point is a constant value. This fixed point is called the center of the circle and the constant value is the radius of the circle. Circle is the set of all points in a plane that are at a constant distance, the radius from the fixed point. The fixed point is called the center of the circle. Equation of circle: transforming general to standard form, transforming standard to general form, finding the center radius in the standard form given the general form, and graphing the circle in rectangular coordinate system.
Standard form: quantity x minus h squared plus quantity y minus k squared is equal to r squared, wherein r is our radius. And if we're going to get the value of x or y, we will find the center, and the center is h and k. Next, we have the general form: x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. And in our general form, we have the shortcut formula for the center: negative d over 2 and negative e over 2. So that is the shortcut formula for the center. Let us the example number 1. Transform the general form x squared plus y squared minus 10x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0 of a circle into a standard form. Find the center and the radius, and we can transform it by using the completing square, the lesson when we are in grade 9. So let's solve this problem. First, we arrange the given. So x squared plus y squared minus 10x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. Rearrange it so we have x squared minus 10x and x and y must be written besides each other. So plus y squared plus 4y, and we're going to addition property, so in short we're going to transform that, will become positive 7. Now regroup, make the expression a perfect square trinomial. So we have x squared minus 10x plus blank, where we're going to add number to make it a perfect square trinomial. So plus y squared plus 4y plus blank is equal to positive 7. We will add a blank on the left side of the equation, so we need to add a blank here, here, and another blank here. To make the equation balance. Now, make our expression inside the parentheses, a perfect square trinomial. In the middle term, the middle term is negative 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So negative 5 and the 5 squared, so is equal to 25. So we need to add 25 here and also here. Next, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 2 squared and 2 times 2, which is 4. So we added 4 on the left side, add 4 on the right side of the equation. Now, a perfect square trinomial and a perfect square of binomial. I know ang trinomial and perfect square of trinomial in this one. We were going to write it into a binomial. So, square of binomial, that is x, and copy the sign of the middle term minus square root of 25. So what is the square root of 25? That is 5 and add square. Plus y and copy the sign of the middle term. So plus 2 squared is equal to, we need to add 7 plus 25, that is 32. And plus 4 is equal to 36. So this is now our standard form. Now find the center and the radius. So the center we have is h and k. So let's get x minus 5 equated to 0. So x is equal to positive 5. And y plus 2 is equated to 0. So y is equal to negative 2. Now the center is equal to our x and h is positive 5 and negative 2. I know at our h is positive 5 and our k is negative 2. That is now the center of the radius. Just get the square root of our constant term, the square root of 36, square root of 36, that is positive 6. So since we are dealing with a distance or a measurement, we're just going to get the positive volume. So the radius is positive 6. Standard form. Quantity x minus h squared plus quantity y minus k squared is equal to r squared. And our general form are 6 squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. So let us the example number 1. Find the general form of the circle. Quantity x plus 5 squared plus quantity y minus 3 squared is equal to 49. Our first step is we need to expand our square of binomial. So the first step is square the first term, that will be x squared. Second step, multiply the first and the second term. So x times 5 is equal to 5x times 2 is equal to 10x plus square the second term. 5 squared give us 25. Copy the plus sign now. Square the first term, that is y squared. Multiply the first and the second term, that is negative 3y times 2 is negative xy. And square the second term, that is positive 9 is equal to 49. Copy lang. And now combine the like terms. So x squared plus 10x, and also we can combine 25 and 9 here. So let's just copy first the y squared minus 6y. So 25 plus 9, that will give us 34 is equal 49. And now let us arrange our equation. So x squared and positive y squared for our 10. So 10x minus 6y plus 34. But in our general form, that is equated to 0. So we need to subtract. And is it equal? And is it? And this is equal to 0. Let us combine x squared plus y squared plus 10x minus xy, and 34 minus 49 is equal to negative 15, and it equal to 0. And this will be the general form of the circle. But when our teacher asks to find the value of D, E, and F, so this will be, so the value of D is 10, and the value of E is negative 6, and the value of F is negative 5.
After discussing transforming standard form and general form and vice versa, now let's going to discuss what if the given are center and the radius. We're going to find the standard form or the general form. Let us have our problem number 1. Find the equation of the circle in standard form whose center is at negative 4 plus 3 and radius square root of 5, so center is negative 4. Positive 3 and the radius is square root of 5. The standard form of a circle is x minus h raised to the power of 2 plus y minus k raised to the power of 2 is equal to r squared. So the given is the center and the radius. Let us going to substitute the center. Standard form is quantity x minus h. Just reverse the sign, negative 4 r, and then it will become positive 4 raised to the power of 2. Then plus y, reverse the sign, then it will become negative 3 raised to the power of 2 is equal to r is square root of 5. Let us going to square. So our final answer is x plus 4 raised to 2 plus y minus 3 raised to 2 is equal to 5. So this will be the standard form.
A circle. Let us first familiarize our Cartesian plane. So we have the x-axis horizontal line and the vertical line, which is the y-axis, and on the right side, that is a positive numbers of positive numbers. On the left side, the negative numbers, and below are the negative numbers. Of course, this is what we call the origin. 0, 0, 0 is that coordinate of origin. Now the problem is the original form of the circle. 4x squared plus 4y squared plus 8 x minus 6 and y minus 80 is equal to 0. Find the center, radius, and standard form. Okay, let us continue of the circle and graph. And graph the circle. Let us find the first our standard form. So copy the given. The given is 4x squared plus 4y squared plus zx minus 16 y minus 80 is equal to 0. Analyze our given. The equation is divisible by 4, so we can reduce our given. Equation is so divisible by 4, so divide by 4. This will become x4 divided by 4 will become 1x squared, or simply x squared plus 4 divided by 4. You can count 1x squared plus 8 divided by 4 become 2x minus 16 divided by 4, that is 4. Copy y. Minus 80 divided by 4, 20 is equal to 0. This is now the binary form of our general form. Now we arrange our general form. That will become x squared plus 2x plus y squared minus y is equal to positive 20. Make our expression of this a perfect square trinomial, so we add log. Plus y squared minus 4y plus black is equal to 20. We added 2 blacks, so plus black and glass is a perfect square trinomial. Middle term is a 2 divided by 2, that is 1 square positive, 1x negative, 4 divided by 2, that's 2, 3 square positive 4. We added 1, so add 1, adding 4 and 4 now write it into square of binomial. So x of the middle term positive square root of 1 is 1 squared plus y minus square root of 4, that is 2 squared is equal to add 25. This is our standard form. Let us find the center and the radius. The center is 1, change the same, so negative 1 and positive and radius the square root of the root of 25, that is positive 5. This will become our range. Now let us graph in our Cartesian plane. So graph first, plot our center is negative 1, positive 2 is negative 1. negative 1 for x and positive 2 for y. So this is our center. Our radius is 5. To find the other points, let us